Hi, this video is about how to create an arc door with glass panel. First, you're just going to drag an arc door opening from the cloud. And I use this one. You may edit the size if you want to. Next, we're going to add a glass panel. Just go into kitchen cabinet module, search for super. Drag it out and change the size slightly bigger than the door. Let's say 1000, 2002 and 20. And then rotate and move it up. Rotate again. And here you can change the texture to a glass or mirror or whatever effects you want. So I'm gonna use the one I uploaded earlier, which is this one. Rotate the texture to vertical and stretch. This texture is actually a stripe pattern and I choose printed glass in material properties. You can refer to our YouTube on how to upload texture for more detailed steps. Then now we just need to move it to the arc door. Press Z to move. And Ctrl V to copy paste. And done. Thank you.